Always start by getting your credit report from all 3 credit reporting agencies. Verify the information is correct. If you have collections on your credit report, talk to the original creditor first to see if you can work something out with them before working with the collection agency. A charged-off account is a big red flag to a lender. Contact the lenders and offer a payment to have them remove this trade line. Negotiate your way to a better score. If the debt is old, put on your negotiations hat. An old debt can be settled for pennies on the dollar. Try to remove negative trade lines. When dealing with a creditor or a collection agency with a negative trade line on your credit report, negotiate with them to remove their trade line. Hire a professional. Stay on top of your payments. Set up all your debts on auto pay so that you do not end up paying late. Late payments will kill your credit score. Each time you apply to a lender, you bring down your credit score. Keep in mind you lose 1 to 2 points of minimum per inquiry. Pay down your current debt. If you can't pay down the debt, ask the lenders to increase your credit limit, that way you increase your available credit. Lastly is open new credit. If you don't have a lot of credit or if you have a lot of negative trade lines, add some new good, healthy trade lines. Show the lenders that you are now paying your debts on time and no longer paying late or not at all. For more information, visit us at www.leasefunders.com.